Okay, so we just came back from Grand Turk, and I'm gonna try to save you some money. There's nothing to see there. We ended up renting a vehicle, which is cheaper than getting an excursion through the cruise line. We rented a vehicle, 6 persons. I think it was $120, which I still think was a kind of ripoff. And we made it through the island in an hour.
Yeah, pretty much. We wasted a lot of time. So you could do the island in less than an hour.
Yes. And that's at cruising speed, right? If you drive really fast, you'll be done in no time.
There's nothing to see but donkeys and donkey poop and cactus trees. And well, the highlight was probably the flamingos.
Yeah, I'll insert some footage of the flamingos, but there really wasn't anything to see. Hey, Kira from the future. Hopefully you can hear me because it's raining cats and dogs right now. So this was 3 years ago. So if things have changed and there's now lots to see, I don't know. But this was 2019. So things might have changed since then. And that footage that I was talking about from the flamingo, I don't know, all of the footage from that day is gone. So it might be for the best because, like I said, there was very little to see. Just some random flamingos we saw along our drive. All we have is a picture of me in my bathing suit and my sun hat. So
Dinner though.
yeah, dinner was really good. Had rabbit for the first time and it tasted pretty good.
Was it the first time? I feel like you had it before.
I've never had rabbit.
I had rabbit on the cruise before.
You might be thinking of duck. I've never had rabbit.
No, rabbit on the cruise. That same type of rabbit on the pastry thing.
I don't recall ever having rabbit before, but I know for certain I had it tonight and it tasted good. So food was good. Last night, formal night, the food boarded and horrible. I did not enjoy it at all, but tonight kind of made up for that. Tomorrow is Puerto Rico. We have an excursion, Rainforest Drive. And so that starts at 1:30, so we have a bit of time before, so we don't have to rush out, because like the morning tours are kind of like in a rush. You have to eat breakfast, you have to try to get off the boat early, but at least 1:30 you have some time to lounge around and be lazy before we have to go off the boat. So we'll probably check in tomorrow. For this tour, we were supposed to have done it as a couple, all three couples together, but we ended up getting separated, so Dee and I ended up doing the tour on our own. the video, the pictures just do not do the rainforest justice, especially when we went up to the tower and we were able to look around. I mean, beautiful. The waterfall, I mean, stunning. Just like being in person is so much better than what you see on camera.
We have been a Commonwealth since 1952, been a U.S. territory since 1898. Puerto Rico was taken during the Spanish-American War, along with Guam and the Philippines. Also, Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens, have been U.S. citizens since 1917. And as a Commonwealth, we do not pay federal income tax, nor do we vote for President of the United States. Broken.
We are at well, the tour is a Rainforest Drive, Puerto Rico. El Unique or El Unique, I think is how they pronounce it. But it is very nice, very tranquil, very rainforesty. Taking the scenery. It is lovely.
Over here, I would just like, I would go like rock hopping.
Of what grows here is native to Puerto Rico. Like into the forest. It's building up off of the coast of Africa. And they're traveling across the Atlantic.
Wow. Goodness.
the right, there's a statue that
We are finally back from the Rainforest Tour. Junkie. That's how it's pronounced. Junkie. It was great. And now we're gonna go look for something to eat before dinner because we are marved. We're hungry. If you know what this is, leave a comment below.
I have no idea. What was this one?
We're gonna have a practice, all right? We're gonna have a practice, so take a look at your practice Simon Flash color sequence. Blue, red, green, yellow. Blue, red, green, yellow. Blue, red, green, yellow. Blue, red, green, yellow. And it would have gone to the blue team. Blue, red, green, yellow. All right? We'll start over here. So you were very unsure of this one, Dorothy, because it took you a long time to write this one down. You said Phyllis. Phyllis.
That one,
And
boy.
You didn't write anything down about her. Was she nice? Was she not so nice? She was okay. She was okay. This was back in high school, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay, Phyllis. That's not what Frank said. Frank said her name was Darcel. And she was not for me. But he crossed that out because I said one word and he put unfit.